everyone, it's Olivia. So this week I am super excited to be giving you this awesome solution for storing your threads. So you guys know that I am very messy person. I need to constantly be organized in order to be productive and creative. And I love these thread boxes from R&K because they are so amazing. So today I'm going to show you how I store my matte thread. I love these boxes. They have a nice handle that you can take with you. They're very portable, and they have this little lever that you can pinch that'll open it. And one awesome thing about the boxes is that they actually snap shut. So if you're traveling with your threads, you don't have to worry about them falling out or getting out of the box or anything like that. They're gonna stay right where they are, and they have these handy dandy little hooks that you would just set each thread on. And what I also love about it is that the little platform with all the hooks on it comes out. So this makes it so much easier for you when you're actually organizing your threads. And if you wanna take out all of them or look at all of them and sort through them, you can just pick up that little bottom tray instead of having to take out the whole drawer. But yeah, these boxes are so cool. I love that they're stackable. You can really kind of customize your own storage. And what's awesome too is you can organize them by color or by whatever kind you want to do. You could do like blacks and grays and whites. You could do all blues, all pinks, that kind of thing. Or you could do like an earthy tone box and a pastel box. But today I'm going to show you how I'm organizing my matte blue threads. Now I love these Embellish matte threads. They're awesome. They look like cotton thread when they're stitched, and they kind of give off a little vintage quality to them. But you can see here, as I am pulling out one of the threads, I have a little label underneath because it can be kind of hard to read the labels on top of them because they're tiny. So if you really want to organize your thread boxes, we actually have provided the Embellish matte thread. It's a downloadable page on R&K's website, the Embellish website, and I will have a link for that in the description and in my blog post. But you can use that to actually print out your own labels and put them on the bottom of each box so that when you take out the thread, the label is right there.